midnight tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of northern Delaware, including the following area: Newcastle, New Jersey, including the following areas: Camden, Gloucester, Hunterton, Mercer, Middlesex, northwestern Burlington, Salem, Somerset, southeastern Burlington and western Monmouth, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, lower Bucks, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester and western Montgomery. When? Until midnight tonight. Impact. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged. Flood warnings be issued. The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch. Poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Additional details: a warm and humid air remains in place of Queen Anne and Talbot, New Jersey, including the following areas: Atlantic, coastal Cape May, coastal Atlantic, coastal Ocean, Cumberland, eastern Monmouth, Morris, Ocean, Sussex and Warren, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Berks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. Maryland. The following is a severe thunderstorm warning, including the following areas: Carolina, Canton, Maryland, Queen Anne, and Talbot, New Jersey, including the following areas: Atlantic, coastal Cape May, coastal Atlantic, coastal Ocean, Cumberland, eastern Monmouth, Morris, Ocean, Sussex and Warren, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Berks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. When? Until midnight tonight. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of the ditch. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Additional details: a warm and humid MS remains in place and controlled dry, which will push across the region for tonight. Showers and thunderstorms through this